LRAD systems broadcast audible voice messages clearly over long distances, loud background noise, and challenging environments. They are communication systems, not compliance devices or sonic weapons. Like any professional audio system, safe and effective LRAD operation depends on proper training and use. Misuse results from lack of training or operator error. The goal is to deliver clear voice communications that people hear and understand. Trained operators should always start with the minimum effective volume and increase audio output only when needed. Operators should consider distance, background noise, weather, terrain, and the surrounding environment when adjusting audio levels. When possible, maintain appropriate standoff distance, prioritize clear voice communication, and use the LRAD Alert Tone only briefly to gain attention before broadcasting live or recorded voice messages. With proper training and disciplined operation, LRAD helps reduce confusion, support de-escalation, and communicate more safely and effectively. Learn more by downloading the Safe and Effective Use of LRAD Systems Guide.